So now that I've talked about my hopes with top surgery, I should talk about some of my fears because I think it's important to talk about, feeling unsure because I don't feel 100% sure all the time that I want to have surgery. And it did take me a long time to make the concrete decision to do it. So I think a lot of my hesitation comes from, the moments that are few and far between when I do feel comfortable in my body. And I feel like those moments are really valuable and important. And so it makes me question whether or not I'm making the right decision. But the truth is that the times when I do feel comfortable in my body are so rare, and that most of the time I feel really uncomfortable. So I think that outweighs the comfort. I also, I really worry about the results and whether or not they will be satisfactory. I worry that I'll have dog earring, or my scars will look bad, that the nipple placement will be off, that the nipples will look weird. And I worry that if it does turn out poorly, or if it looks a way that I'm not happy with, that I will still be uncomfortable. I will have made this huge change and this huge investment and not feel any different, really, or just feel a different sort of discomfort. And I won't have the money for a revision if that's what's needed in order to feel comfortable. And it's just what if this doesn't end, what if the dysphoria doesn't end after surgery because I'm not happy with the results, which I think is totally possible. I have seen results on other people that I know that I wouldn't be happy with myself. And I've talked about this with people, and it's would I rather go on being really uncomfortable, or is it worth taking the risk to being so comfortable? Okay, what if I get top surgery and I don't love the results and I'm still uncomfortable taking my shirt off, but I feel good in my clothes? It's it's still an improvement, but it's worrisome. I want I want the I want it to look perfect, which is a lot to ask. I know, I'm not going to Dr. Brownstein in San Francisco, and I'm not going to Garamoni. I don't have that kind of money or resources. I have to go to a local surgeon, and I know Dr. McLean is great. He's had so many great results. A friend of mine just had surgery, and it looks amazing. So hopefully I'll be happy with the results, but I'm really afraid that I won't be. And I feel like I'm a perfectionist, and it worries me. So I guess those are the big fears. Another one that I had a lot, in the past year, not so much recently, is explaining my body to people, and dealing with other people's reactions, or their transphobia, or just transphobia becoming more real for me, or homophobia. I don't know. I guess I have worried about what my body will symbolize once it becomes like actually physically trans in my own opinion, because obviously there are plenty of trans people with similar bodies to mine. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video now. Thanks for watching.